is our thing at Buc-ee's. We get banana pudding, and we don't eat the bananas. Oh, what's that?
¿Otra vez?
Get up, do it! There's another.
Dude, I'll show you a ball!
We gotta go, come on! Get in the bunker! We're gonna be safe here. Get the dog! I forgot the food again, hold on. I got Cheerios. What does that mean?
This is Bob.
Hey! Oh my god! Holy crap! Another one!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a
Dude, I'll show you a ball!
Holy
East
crap!
Central Monroe County in northeast Pennsylvania, West Central Sussex County in northwest New Jersey, North
Here.
Central Warren County in northwest New Jersey until 10:45 p.m. A flash
Monster.
flood warning remains in effect.
Holy crap, guys. Here we go! Mom! It's on TV.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's creepy.
Oh my god. This is scary as shit. Oh my god.
He's got the weatherman.
Can't miss it. I've been hearing about this EAS message online. Just came on my TV and I wanted to get some proof. And show us our choices. Me.
Oh. Uh-oh.
What's going on? Did you know what's going on?
We have confirmed that there is no continent named Asia and there are no known nations named South Korea or Japan. We ask the public to disregard the previous message and any related information. The FAA is working with relevant agencies to identify the source of this hack and to prevent any future incidents.
A 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Caledonia has caused a tsunami threat alert in New Zealand. This map shows areas under threat. Tell your friends.
This is a message alerting you to a critical situation. Please stop all activity and listen to the following. If you are currently driving a vehicle, please come to a safe stop as soon as possible to enable you to concentrate on this audio message. The sun disappeared 5 minutes ago. There are now 3 minutes of sunshine left. After this, the light previously emitted by the sun will cease to be captured by the Earth. The National Climate Task Force is in the process of producing a list of recommendations for all American citizens, evaluating the different